We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast as well. Aditya Thackeray has also hit out at the rebel MPs, saying that this is just greed which has led these MPs to take this decision of switching sides. Aditya Thackeray says, I think Shiv Sena is only one that ours. Rest are slaves of BJP. State is experiencing severe issue in agriculture loan waivers. And the government clearly is not bothered about that. He's called the rebel MP shameless. He says they won on face of Uddhav Thackeray, and now they are trying to betray us and switch sides. I believe we have a reaction. Let's listen in.
Aditya, these 6 rebel MPs from your party and constitutionally, what will be your plan of
These are not rebel MPs. These are MPs who had put themselves out in the market to be bought, and they've been bought today. It's unfortunate for them. It's unfortunate for their families and their reputation.
Eknath Shinde is also saying that Operation Tiger will continue for MLAs as well as corporates.
That shameless thief wants to become the chief minister. He tries to destabilize the government every time, and he will want to eat the BJP at some time. But the most important thing today is he should focus on his department and his work. Apart from that, he's been focusing on everything.
So shameless, traitors, greedy people, dishonest MPs. That's how the UBT is describing those rebel MPs who've decided to part ways. We also have Paras joining us in the broadcast. Paras, one thing is, true here. Sanjay Raut's statements have done more harm to the UBT than anything else. And Mr. Pratap Sarnaik, in fact, initially also mentioned Sanjay Raut and said he'd like to thank Sanjay Raut because first the MLAs switched and now the MPs are switching. And I do remember Sanjay Raut making that statement, Paras, when he said that parties that broke away from the Congress perhaps should merge back. We need to strengthen the Congress parties. He did make that statement that led to this narrative, this fear that perhaps UBT will also merge with Congress.
So this is a speculation that has been into the political arena from few days from the time that news were out that the 6 rebel MLAs will be going to the Eknath Shinde and they will be there in the Eknath Shinde party. From that time there was speculation about the UBT Sena merging into Congress, but on the day of Shiv Sena Divas, there was a statement which was made by the UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray that 30 years they did not merge with BJP. Now there is no chance of merging with Congress. Right now, I am going to see you. I am going to give you a visual of the Shivalaya where we are right now over here. Uddhav Thackeray has reached few minutes back with Sanjay Raut, Aditya Thackeray, and all the MLAs and MLCs from Uddhav faction has been huddling around over here and discussing about the 6 rebel MLAs MPs who has been shifted and they will now join Eknath Shinde party. So this meeting will be very, very much important for
absolutely, and nothing can be done about that. The UBT did try to reach out to these MPs. Last-ditch efforts were made by the UBT. On one hand, they kept on hitting out at them, calling them traitors and shameless. But as per reports, we do know that they did try to reach out to MPs to ensure that they are able to retain them. That clearly isn't happening now. Once the rebel MPs reach her, once that press conference happens, it's all official. In fact, what we're given to understand is that now the UBT is trying to save whatever is left of the party, whatever is left of the flock, and by that I mean the MLAs and the corporators. We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast, and we're given to understand that a meeting of the MLAs of the UBT is to begin shortly at Shivalaya in Mumbai, and all eyes are on the meeting. It remains to be seen which MLA turns up amid the ongoing political developments. Even more interesting to track. Rucha is getting us more details on that. Rucha, this becomes interesting, especially after Pratap Sarnaik and others of the Shiv Sena saying that Operation Tiger continues 365 days. Remember, we broke that story first here on Times Now, that now Shinde Sena is eyeing the remaining MLAs and the corporators of UBT as well.
Well, that is right, because the Shinde Sena leaders have always said that Operation Tiger has not just recently started, but it is going on since 2022, since Eknath Shinde walked out with the 40 MLAs, and it continues even now after the rebel MPs coming from UBT and joining Shinde Sena. There are claims by Shinde Sena leaders that there are about 16-17 MLA, MLCs who are also on their way to join us. And today is something we are going to witness, is another historic point of turning point of Maharashtra politics, because I am currently present inside the YB Chavan auditorium where the press conference is taking place. Even now we can see the preparations are underway, and until now only Nagesh Ashtikar and another MP Omraje Nimbalkar are the only ones who have spoken openly about their stand, that they are ready to leave Shinde Sena, and they have given reasons that we do not disrespect or we do not have any problems with Uddhav Thackeray or the party, but we are going for the power, or we are going for the betterment of our constituencies, that we need to be in power to work on our constituency, and we were elected for our people, and for them we are taking this stand. We are not upset, but even now nobody has openly criticized Uddhav Thackeray or Sanjay Raut. In fact, Nagesh Ashtikar also added that whatever Sanjay Raut is saying, he has all the right to say so, because he's like a father figure to me. So these are the kind of statements coming from the rebel MPs. But today we will witness something. We are also expecting some kind of evidence to be presented. The meeting, alleged meeting that took place in the national capital, where the six MPs are, it is said that they have already met with the Lok Sabha Speaker. The photograph will be shown. The letter that was submitted, where they demanded a separate recognition in the parliament.
To the Lok Sabha Speaker is what we're given to understand. Rucha, do stay on with us. We also have Paras, and he's in fact reporting from outside Uddhav Thackeray's residence. What's happening there? Does it wear a deserted look, just like the party now, many would say? Paras? Paras, can you hear me?
Yes, can you repeat the question, please?
Yes, well, I wanted to understand from you what's happening at Uddhav Thackeray's residence. There's a meeting which is going to happen at Shivala, is what we're given to understand, where the attempts are being made to keep whatever is left of the party together. By that I mean the rest of the MLAs and the corporators. In fact, remember, Uddhav Thackeray also said, if you want, I would step down. He also spoke about the legacy of Bal Thackeray. He said the Shiv Sena is the only one that we have. It was always the Thackeray's.
Rightly said. So I'm reporting outside from the official office of Shiv Sena. Right now I am outside Shivala, and over here there has been the presence of Sanjay Raut, the senior leader of Shiv Sena UBT faction. With that, Uddhav Thackeray, the party chief, is also there with Aditya Thackeray, and all the MLCs and MLAs has been present over here, and over that there has been the discussion all about the monsoon session which has been started from today. And with that, the 6 rebel MPs who has been going to Shinde, in some time there will be the press conference on this entire situation. With that, now party doesn't have much to do now, and that's why this hurdle has taken place at the party office
Absolutely.
In over
so
here.
On one hand, there will be a press conference at the YB Chavan Center from where we are reporting on. The other, Paras says there'll be a press conference after the meeting at Shivala as well. At the YB Chavan Center press conference, we're expecting to hear from the rebel MPs what was their reason behind the decision they took. And at Shivala, after the meeting, perhaps the UBT would want to talk about the future course of action. Mr. Sanjay Raut is already there, who has been thanked by Pratap Sarnaik. Pratap Sarnaik said, we actually want to thank Sanjay Raut. It's because of him that first the MLAs crossed over and now the MPs are doing the same. Let's listen to some reactions. Our reporters will continue to be with us.
ऑपरेशन टाइगर तो हमारा 365 दिन 24 घंटे चलते रहता है। शिवसेना प्रमुख बाला साहब ठाकरे जी को जो विचारधारा है, विचारधारा मानने वाले सब सांसद है, और आज दोपहर को 3 बजे वो हमारे पार्टी में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को उस तरह का निवेदन भी दे दिया, और लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को निवेदन देने के बाद वो हमारे पार्टी में शामिल हो रहे हैं, तो हम उनका स्वागत कर रहे हैं। हम दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं संजय राउत जी का, क्योंकि संजय राउत जी की वजह से पूरे के पूरे जो विधायक है हमारे पार्टी में पहले आ गए।
प्रथमतः तर मी तुम्हाला सगळ्याला सांगू इच्छितो की मी कोणावरही नाराज वगैरे होऊन गेलेलो नाहीये। उद्धव साहेबांवर तर मुळीच नाराज नाहीये। उद्धव साहेबांनी मला खूप प्रेम दिलं, त्याबद्दल दुमत नाहीये। आणि राऊत साहेब किंवा हे कोणती मोठी मंडळी जर कोणी बोलत असेल तर ते त्यांचा हक्क आहे. त्यांनी माझ्यावर खूप मोठं प्रेम केलेलं आहे, त्याच्यामुळं ते बोलतील, काही अडचणीचं नाही. माझ्या वडिलाप्रमाणे आहेत ते बोलले तर मला काही त्याच्यात वाईट वाटणार नाही. पण हे सगळं करत असताना 18 तारखेपर्यंत तरी आम्ही कोणीच कुठं गेलेलो नव्हतो. पण ज्या पद्धतीचं गैरविश्वास किंवा अतिरेक झाला बोलण्याचा, त्याच्यानंतर बऱ्याचशा मंडळीने विचार केला की आता तिथं थांबून सुद्धा काही फार उपयोग होणार नाही. आणि खरं सांगायचं तर आपण सर्वांना माहिती आहे की खूप दिवसापासून आपण पाहतोय की सत्तेशिवाय कुठलेही कामं कार्यकर्त्याची होत नाहीये. त्यामुळं कदाचित या सगळ्या गोष्टीचा जे काही मी पाऊल उचललं त्याच्या मागचं एक मोठं कारण असू शकते की माझ्या मतदारसंघामध्ये विकास कामे करावं लागतील. लोकांनी खूप मोठ्या आशेनं मला निवडून दिलेलं आहे.
मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छितो की जे काही आता चर्चा सुरू आहे ह्या सगळ्या झूट आहेत. तुम्हाला थोडं थांबा, ब्रेकिंग न्यूज मिळेल.
ऑपरेशन यशस्वी आहे आणि बॉडी एकदम सुदृढ आहे.
और अपने पूरे कैडर के साथ संवाद नहीं रखने वाला नेतृत्व है. एक तो नेतृत्व हो गया और दूसरा हो गया शिवसेना प्रमुख बाला साहब ठाकरे के विचारों के साथ जो उन्हें धोखा किया, जो गद्दारी की, उसका रिएक्शन है. क्योंकि 2019 में शिवसेना बीजेपी साथ में लड़ी थी और बाला साहब जी हमेशा कांग्रेस के खिलाफ थे. बाला साहब हिंदुत्व की विचारधारा में विश्वास करते थे, लेकिन उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने जिस तरीके से मुख्यमंत्री बनने के लिए शिवसेना प्रमुख के विचारों के साथ गद्दारी की और हिंदुत्व की विचारधारा को तिलांजलि दी, उसका ये रिएक्शन है, उसकी प्रतिक्रिया है. आप पूछेंगे इतना लेट क्यों? हर चीज के लिए समय होता है. 2022 में इसी विषय पर श्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी ने, जो हमारे पार्टी के मुख्य नेता, उन्हें उठाव किया, विद्रोह किया. 40 एमएलए निकल गए, 13 एमपी निकल गए, कुछ लोग वहां रह गए. अभी भी पिछले 4 वर्षों में वो सिलसिला जारी है. और तीसरा बड़ा मुद्दा ये है कि उद्धव ठाकरे जी के जो मुख्य फ्रेंड फिलोसफर गाइड हैं संजय राउत, वह इस समय एक षड्यंत्र रच रहे थे कि पूरी पार्टी को ही कांग्रेस में मर्ज कर दिया जाए.
लेकिन उनका कहना है.
All right, so you heard the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, they're saying wait for some time, you will all get breaking news soon. On the other hand, the leaders blaming Sanjay Raut for what's happening in the party today. We're also given to understand that Uddhav Thackeray has spoken to the media. He said that he's waiting to first hear from the rebel MPs and then perhaps he'll speak to the media. Quick break with that. Our reporters will continue to be with us. We'll get you all the updates on this important, crucial press conference in which we'll perhaps hear from the rebel MPs on their reason behind this split after a short break.